Is it going to be Trump versus Europe? Today, the fight over Greenland just turned into a real trade war between the United States and its European allies, and it could reshape global alliances. Trump isn't just talking about buying Greenland anymore. The US has just slapped tariffs on European NATO allies, not over trade, but because they won't back his Greenland ambitions. But before we get into details, here's a quick look at Greenland on the map. Massive, resource-rich, strategically positioned in the Arctic. It's technically a self-governing territory of Denmark, a NATO country. Now, Trump's Greenland ambition that started with random remarks followed by casual threats, and now it seems that he has made up his mind to finally take a big, bold move. So let's just break it down. What does Trump plan to do? How European nations have responded? And why Trump wants Greenland? The US announced 10% tariffs on goods from 8 European countries, starting from 1st of February, rising to about 25% by June unless Greenland is sold to the US. The list includes Denmark, France, Germany, the United Kingdom, Norway, Sweden, the Netherlands, and Finland, all traditional NATO partners. But understand, this isn't normal tariffs. He's tying trade punishment to a territorial dispute. That's almost unheard of. So how is Europe responding? Europe is united in opposition. EU officials and NATO allies are blasting the tariffs as coercive and dangerous. Leaders from the UK, France, Denmark, Germany and beyond say that the tariffs undermine NATO. They threaten transatlantic relations and Greenland is not for sale. So why is Trump pushing this hard? Well, Trump claims that this is about national security, saying that the US must control Greenland to counter China and Russia. But the deeper drivers are location and resources. Greenland sits atop the shortest transatlantic military and missile routes. It's rich in minerals like rare earth lithium and graphite. These are critical for electric vehicles and tech supply chains. Also understand that climate change is opening Arctic shipping lanes and resource access, making Greenland even more strategic. If the US actually coerced a NATO ally to cede territory through tariffs and economic pressure, that's historic and hugely destabilizing. It weakens NATO cohesion and could realign European foreign policy in unexpected ways. Well, this isn't just about Greenland anymore. It's a trade war disguised as geopolitics, and the world is watching whether the transatlantic alliance can survive this showdown.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.